Hello everyone, in this video we will talk about how we can find the professor for getting an acceptance letter. For example, if you are going to apply for an institute, like if you are going to apply for University of Adelaide and then you want to get an acceptance letter in computer science faculty, okay, you search that in Google and then you can see here our pupils school of computer and mathematical sciences. You click here and now you will come down and here our researchers. So whenever you are, for example, whenever you are going to search for getting seeking for professors or supervisor, then you should go to research faculty of that specific institute. For example, first you are applying for computer science, then you will go to computer science on their website and then you will go to researcher, because there are other faculty members as well, deputy head of the school and associate heads. Of course you will not require an acceptance letter from them, because they are not the researchers, they have other duties to do. So you will come here to researchers profile, click here. Now these are the researchers in that institute, so you should also see, like, for example, this Tom, she may be not a professor, maybe she would be a student there, higher degree by research candidate. So you can see she's not a professor, so you should be very careful. Now if you come down, now this one, you can say senior lecturer and eligible to supervise master and PhD. So you should be very careful when you will visit the page and you send the email. So you should be careful, if they are eligible to supervise, only then you should send the email. You should not send the mass email to everyone. So you can see this is also higher degree research candidate, but he is eligible to supervise. After you will find that profile, then you will click here. For example, Dr. Michael Chen here, okay, and then you can see his publication, supervision, contact information. You will get an email address here, and you can see in which topic he have already supervised before. In his publications you can see in which research area he is working on. So after you will see the profile, then only then you can send an email, like if he is working on your research interest areas. So there will be a lot of professors on each institute, so you should be careful in selecting the professor. It should be related to your research interest. So that's how you will find the email address and find the professors. We can also talk about how we can find the professor in Chinese universities. For example, we are going to find the professor at Zhejiang University Computer Science faculty. Click here and then you will come here faculty and click here faculty by list by research institutes. Okay, click here. Now you can see in computer science they have computer software and system and artificial intelligence, and here these are the supervisors, so you can visit their website and see if their research interest is related to you, then you can send an email to them and get the acceptance letter. For example, we visit on his page, and you can see Professor Lin. This is the email address, this is the biography. So that's how you can find the professor to send an email and get the acceptance letter. If you have any, here you can see by research institute and graduate advisor, we can also search that. So this is for computer science and technology, okay, and then these are for software engineering. So that's how you can select the professor to send an email and get the acceptance letter. If you have any question related to that, you can ask me in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching the video, and please share, subscribe and like. Thank you so much. Bye.